Asia market update. Equities significantly weaker after a banner day yesterday. Japan reiterates sales tax hike plans. China not worried about trade war with U.S. general trend. Asian equity markets trade generally lower. Chinese automaker BAIC Motor trades at record low. Reported 9-month results. Australian equities weighed down by utilities, energy and financial shares. Shipping and iron, steel companies underperform in Japan. Asian steelmaker earnings in focus. Tokyo Steel declines ahead of expected earnings report. South Korean steelmaker POSCO declines ahead of expected earnings report. Samsung Biologics declines over 4% ahead of expected earnings report. China GOVT official Zhang Qingli reportedly told U.S. investors at meeting that we don't fear a trade war with the U.S. U.S. companies expected to report earnings on Tuesday, including after hours, include 3M, Arch Coal, Biogen, Caterpillar, Corning, Harley-Davidson, Lockheed Martin, McDonald's, Pult Homes, Texas Instruments and Verizon. Headlines. Economic data. Japan, Nikkei 225 opened minus 0.9%, 7,202. JP reportedly to partner with NVIDIA on self-driving trucks and large commercial vehicles. Nikkei, JP, Japan went new official development assistance to China. Japanese media. JP, former BOJ Gov Shirakawa, growing global debt may lead to the next economic crisis. Japan Press. JP, Japan FinMini-SO. In principle the sales tax increase will happen as planned. Some disruption expected when it takes place but will not delay for that. Nomura, planning to set up 100 billion yen fund with China Sovereign Wealth Fund CIC. Japan Press. Korea, Kospi opened minus 0.7%. KR, according to economists, South Korea needs to quickly take measures to prevent a possible interest rate hike next month from making a deeper dent in the country's economic growth and employment. Korean Press. KR, South Korea SEPT PPIM, M, 0.3% v 0.5% prior, Y, 2.7% v 3.0% prior. KR, South Korea Finmin Kim, domestic financial and FX markets are stable. POSCO, 005490. KR reports Q3. KRW, net 1.1 TV 910B, op 1.5 TV 1.4 TAE, Rev 16.4 TV 16 TAE. Expect steel prices to remain solid due to China winter production cuts. China, Hong Kong, Hang Seng opened minus 0.5%, Shanghai Composite minus 0.1%. CN, China GOVT official Zhang Qingli reportedly told U.S. investors at meeting that we don't fear a trade war with the U.S. CN, brokerage firms in China to establish 21 billion Chinese yuan asset management plan. China Securities Times. CN, China PBOC open market operation, OMO, to inject 120 billion Chinese yuan in 7-day reverse repos v 120 billion Chinese yuan prior. Net, 120 billion Chinese yuan injection v 120 billion Chinese yuan prior. CN, China PBOC sets yuan reference rate, 6.9338 v 6.9236 prior. CN, China Industry Ministry. MIIT, official, China vehicle sales may grow slowly in the future. CN, China PBOC funds release from relending is not QE. China 21st Australia, New Zealand, ASX 200 open flat. New polling analysis shows collapse in support for Australia. PM Morrison's coalition in every mainland state since the leadership change. The Australian, WPP, cuts FY18 EPS tracking below current guidance of 3%. Y, now expects minus 15% to minus 13%. Y, Rev minus 2% to minus 1%. Y, CEO Mike Conahan resigns, effective December 31st, minus 28%. BXB, reports Q1 Rev $1.42 billion, 6%. Y at CC, minus 0.8%. HSO, receives $2.36 per share cash offer from BGH Consortium, board to assess the proposal. 21%. Australia PM Morrison, energy retailers to set price benchmarks for bills. Australia ANZ Roy Morgan weekly consumer confidence, 112.3 v 119.5 prior. Rabobank sees Australia winter 2018-19 wheat harvest at 29.3 m tons, minus 23%. Y, winter crop production outlook. Other Asia, SG, Singapore, SEPT CPIM, M, 0.0% v 0.1%. Y, 0.7% v 0.8%. North America, U.S. equity markets ended mixed, Dow minus 0.5%, S.